Hi guys, today we are going to talk about how to become fluent in English. And firstly, why I consider this topic, because a lot of people they think that if I speak louder, if I speak fast way, then I consider myself I am fluent in English. But I want to share with you how to get fluency or how to become fluent in English. So before try to get fluency, before try to become fluent in English, I want to ask you one question. Do you know what is called fluency? Yeah, what is called fluency? If you know, then this is good for you. If you don't know, then I will share with you. But before share these things, I want to share something. Actually, today something sad happened. 4 years ago, I planted a mango tree. I gave water every day. I took care it with a lot of love, or I protected it from animals. And today something unfortunate happened, which is fire spread all around the tree. Since morning, my mother-in-law she set fire to burn unnecessary waste, and I don't know how, but the fire spread all around the tree, and some leaf become dry or the trunk was affected by smoke. Do you know trunk? Trunk it means पेड़ का तना. जब एक पौधा होता है छोटा, तो हम उसके तने को बोलते हैं स्टेम. बट जब वो एक बड़ा पौधा हो जाता है तो उसके हम तने को स्टेम न बोल करके उसे हम बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में ट्रंक. सो द ट्रंक वॉज इफेक्टेड बाय स्मोक. सो दिस इज़ द वेरी सैड फॉर मी. एंड after that, when I saw the fire, I went and gave a lot of water and put out the fire. But what I can do now, I only pray to God my tree stay green or healthy. So it was a very sad for me. But so now my topic was how to become fluent in English. Well, they have misconception about fluency, which is I already asked one question in beginning the video, what is called fluency. If you are making a lot of mistakes, it means grammatical mistakes or pronunciation mistakes. So it calls fluency? Not. People they speak louder, they try to speak very fast way, and they consider themselves I am a fluent in English. But it is totally wrong, because fluency that means is speaking correctly, speaking perfect English without making mistakes, without getting stuck again and again, or without making grammatical mistakes, structure mistake, or maybe vocabulary pronunciation. Okay, if you are making these all mistakes, then it is not considered you are fluent in English. Okay, so fluency called it means speaking perfectly with perfect pronunciation, that is called fluency. So many of people I know you think about myself, why I am sharing with you fluency, what is called fluency, because I'm also learning English. Yeah, I'm a learner. I don't try to teach you, but I try to share my thoughts, I try to share my experience, because I am learning English through YouTube. Okay, so I don't try to teach you. Actually, I have to learn a lot of things, I have to know a lot of things, and my pronunciation also, sometimes I wrong, I speak or mispronounce any words. So yeah, but I'm learning. So I'm talking about fluency, how you can become fluent in English. Guys, a lot of videos available on social media, on YouTube, and after watching, you will be speak little correct way, little good way, because a lot of videos, a lot of teachers, they are teaching us how to get fluency, how to improve English, how to correct our pronunciation. You have to watch them. You have to watch those videos to get fluency, to improve your grammar, or mostly your tenses. In initially, many people they do mistake, they forget grammar. But I would say grammar, it is crucial for speaking confidently or become fluent. People they always consider, I know grammar, I know tenses, I know how to make sentences. But when it comes to speak, they get stuck, they fumble. That is why you should get mastery on tenses. Okay, so don't forget to learn your grammar. In the beginning, it is difficult. It was also difficult for me. Was it easy for me? No, it was a difficult for me. I'm still learning, and it was a difficult, but I was trying each and every day. Then that is why I can explain something little bit good way, something little bit fast. So you have to learn your basic grammar, not advanced. In a beginning, you can't understand each and everything, a lot of rules, a lot of structure. So just learn basic grammar like tenses, some models, or something other. And other thing you have to learn a lot of vocabulary. If you have enough vocabulary, then you can speak different way. You can make one sentence in different ways, and you can talk about with people freely. So for talking about, we have to a lot of words, enough words. And how we can learn? We can learn by reading books, by watching YouTube videos, or you know by explaining nature. You should learn basic tenses, grammar, or try to be perfect, try to speak perfect way. Like you should try to focus on your pronunciation, how you can speak perfectly with clarity. People they desperate, they hopeless about fluency. They think like that, I don't know grammar, I don't have environment, how I can speak English confidently, how I can get fluency. Because uh, they this they have misconception, I should speak perfectly each and every time, I should become perfect, then I should speak. But for getting fluency, we have to learn gradually. Then we have to improve ourselves each and every day. Little bit in your early day, you will feel some improvement, little improvement. But after passing some months, you will realize that your English will improving. Okay, and that's also happening with me. I feel i feel some improvement. That is why I'm learning. I'm not perfect, my pronunciation sometime wrong, I make sometime mistakes, maybe a lot of, but I try to find my mistakes, then I will ready to work on that mistakes. So you should try to do mistakes, you should try to find your mistakes, and always be ready to accept your mistakes. Actually, one thing happened with me. One person, he called out my mistakes, but I accepted, and I tried to be correct my mistakes. Okay, so that is things happened with me. So if somebody call out your mistakes, then don't be angry on that person. Just accept your mistakes calmly, and try to work on that, try to work on your mistakes. Guys, one thing you noticed, call out. Do you know call out? Call out, it means if someone they find your mistakes and they try to realize that you are making mistakes. So this is called call out. Call out. And this is a phrasal verb, so we can use in different way. I hope you understand each and everything, and what I wanted to share, I tried my best to explain each and everything. And also I want to suggest you one thing, please be continue if you want to get fluency, because if you break, then that will take you a lot of time to get fluency. That is why be continue, be consistent. Whatever you do, please continue. And always try to learn something new, like explaining natural thing. In the beginning, I shared with you one thing about fire. Try to learn this way, then you can become fluent. So I hope you understand each and everything, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.